How to hide repost on TikTok. So if you want to repost on TikTok and if you want to hide that repost from everyone, then first open up your TikTok application. And once you've opened your TikTok, now you can go to your profile, which will be on the bottom right. And here you will have your profile, right? And you can go for repost, and here you will have your repost. So if you want to hide this repost, then what you can do is you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon. Go for settings and privacy. And under your settings and privacy, you will have privacy option. Tap on privacy, which is on the second, and here on the first option you will have private account, right? So if you want to hide your repost on TikTok, then you need to turn on your account as a private account. And once you've turned on your account as a private account, then your repost will be hidden. So tap on private account, and that's it. That's how you hide your repost on TikTok. And now your repost will only be seen by you, not by others. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.